What's up everyone? In this video we're just going to talk real quick about the Advanced Upwork Profiles course and what's inside and why you should consider enrolling right now. For those who don't know me, I'm Lex DeVille, and on this channel we help people escape corporate prison and build a freelance empire. We share lots of freelance writing tips and tutorials, so if you're new, consider subscribing. Just wanted to talk real quick about the Advanced Upwork Profiles course that just launched on Udemy. We were trying to get it out last month. Udemy kind of pushed it over to the first day of this month, which is unfortunate, but it is what it is. It's finally out there. What is this course about? Well, this course is for people who are trying to build a better Upwork profile. Right now, you might have a little bit of a bio in there. It starts with something like, hi, my name's Tommy or Sally or whatever your name is, Samantha, whoever, and I have a bachelor's degree in something nobody cares about and 10 years of experience in something also nobody cares about. Also, I started my profile with the word I. So if that's you, and if you don't have anything in your work history or your education or your portfolio, any of those pieces, and you want to strengthen your profile so that you get found at the top of search results in both on Google and Upwork, as well as attracting clients to want to respond to you, to want to read your profile, if that's you, then that's what this course is going to help you fix. And the whole course is designed around my own profile, my own bio, my own systems, and stuff that has worked for me to get myself and others to the top of those search results, to create an SEO optimized Upwork profile that helps you get found, to create bios and write bios that say things that attract clients from the get-go, right from the start. As soon as they see your profile, whether that's because you sent a proposal or because you are just showing up in the top of search results, you need them to see something and read something that pulls them in immediately. And I'm going to show you how to do that in this course. I'm also going to show you how to create a consistent brand image from the top down, from your photo to your profile to your brand language. All that stuff is inside this thing so that we can make you look more professional. We also work on credibility, building you up as an authority for your skill so that you can demand higher rates. And even we talk about how to set rates and what you should set so that you can start to change the way clients perceive you. So if those are things that you're looking for, SEO optimization, branding, client targeting, anything like that, then that's what you're going to find in this course. I just wanted to toss it out there. This is just a short video for you guys. I'll drop a link in the comments, or probably be a link on the screen if that's something you want to enroll in, or even just check it out. Just consider it, because I'm telling you, this stuff will completely change your Upwork profile, and it will get you better results if you put in the time and effort to make it happen. That's all I've got for this one. Thank you so much for watching. If you have questions, drop them in a comment below. I'm Lex DeVille, and I will see you inside.